Good to see this.
Okay, we're trying again. We're going live now to shoot this stuff. We're shooting the hardcore MNFer first, the originals. And then we're going to do the loud ones next. So how many you got, Jason, the originals? How many? Four originals. These are going to be the original hardcore MNFers. We shot them at our demo. We're shooting them again now. These are the hardcore MNFers. We're just doing 4 of them. We shot 2 at the demo. I want to finish this sleeve out. Man, these are setting the car alarms off, and they're not even the salute ones. You want these? They're $169.99. Beautiful shells. All right, now we're going to the loud ones, right? These are the new ones just come in, the 7-inch loud shells, the HCMF. Look at the alarms going off down the street. Wow. More alarms going off down the street. These are the loud 7-inch hardcore MNFers. Oh, look at them strobes. Wow. Wow. What's that? These are thumpers, you guys. Knock the light out in the back. Wow, you can really feel it in your chest, and we're way back here. Whoa, these are the real deal, you guys. Is that the last one? This is the last one of the hardcore. Look at them nice tails on them. Man. All right, now we're going to do Mafia. New one of the Mafia. 9 rack. They say it's louder than Dynamic Corona. We're going to find out here. And we're shooting a little late. I really didn't want to shoot close to 10 like this, but we've been so busy. Wow. This is a real thumper. These are the Mafia rack. Wow, look at the alarms going off down the street. Wow. Man, these go way up, too. Yeah, this is a 9 rack. The Mafias. Man. All right, now comes, what's that other one we're shooting? What's that new one over there? What is it? Right there. Thunder Willow. Shooting that right now. Thunder Willow. The first one was a Mafia rack by Dynamic Corona. This is the master. What's it called? Thunder Willow? Thunder Willow. There's a nice one, Thunder Willow. Wow. You're seeing it live. Thunder Willow. Thunder Willow. Wow, what a thumper. All right, that was Thunder Willow. Let me take a little shot of them, what those look like. There's Thunder Willow right there. Mafia Boss. All right, you guys. We got a lot of stuff open 10 to midnight, or 8 to midnight, 8 a.m. to midnight.